Guys, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistake people make that can actually cost you thousands of dollars for parts, tools, diagnostics that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses, relays for the Catalytic Converter Heater on Mercedes C-Class generation W205. Stay with us guys, we'll explain where you can find that fuse relay. Also, we'll share very helpful information about hidden fuse boxes, information that can potentially, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And by the way, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we'll share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see also where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well, guys. So let's start on it now. Before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Electronics, engines, computers, transmissions. Why we do all that? Because our mission at the garage here is to save you as much money as we can, guys. All we need in return, please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Check out our YouTube channels, we have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So if we start here guys, we'll show you where you can find the Catalytic Converter Heater, fuses and relays. Now, most people that own that Mercedes, I would say probably 9 out of 10 owners do not know about all the different fuse boxes in that car, and you have 6, 7 different ones. Some are so hidden that don't even look like fuse boxes. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes W205 fuse box location and diagram. We need to go ahead and open the hood. Facing the engine guys, most people know about that fuse box here. It's on the driver's side, on the right side, driver's side here. You can see it under the hose here. It's a white fuse box with black cover. Turn the knobs here 90 degrees counterclockwise. That knob here, one on the back, lift up underneath. Open that cover with Torx 22. Remove the two bolts. You pull the cover up and you have that engine fuse box layout here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays, they look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them. But it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays, and if you want to see how to do that guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. And guys, what we need to check here specifically, let us show you now. The fuse that we're looking for, it's not here. Okay, and you start wondering where it is. Okay, that's where it gets interesting. Most people don't know about that. Facing the engine on the left side instead of the right side, you see where the battery symbol is with the positive sign. Here guys, if you remove that cover, you have the positive jump starter terminal, right? But if you look at that box, if you look at every angle, that's actually a pre-fuse box. There will be many fuses inside that will look close to kind of like this one right here. Many fuses, guys. Now, that's the diagram for that fuse box right here. So, if you're looking, guys, for the Catalytic Converter Heater, let's explain, okay, which fuse you will, guys, need to check. You may have this design, or you may have that design. Now, if you guys have that design, okay, we'll explain about the fuse, but this design right here, you will not have one Catalytic Converter Heater. If you have that design, most likely you don't have that option. For this design right here, you will need to check fuse number 12, right there guys. That will be the fuse that you will need to check on your Mercedes C-Class generation W205 for the Catalytic Converter Heater. You don't have a relay, you just have that fuse, that's known as a relay fuse. Guys, quick advice. Now, that generation Mercedes, it has all kinds of different fuses and relays. I want to show you some of them. Those are super special ones as well, guys. And those pre-fuse boxes as well. Check it out. You will have a great variety of fuses, relays. So, by the way, if you guys want to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, we'll recommend to keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below so you can see where you can get them from, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.